I am Darshan Mane. I am a senior manager in Servify working with the product engineering team. Right after college, I started working with a startup called The Observatory, which was founded by our college seniors. I was intrigued by the projects they were working on. Around that time, we were approached by Srivatsa, our founder, with his vision of Servify. But we did not understand anything about this business. So he started explaining and taking sessions about this business to make us understand how this business works and what are the pain points of customers. Once we were aligned with Shri's vision, we started understanding the pain points of customers in India. There is little or no coordination between the brands and the after sales partners, so customer has to go through the hassle of dealing with multiple touch points. Initially though, as with many startups, we were also doing a little bit of everything. I also started managing the API management, the automated cron jobs and Servify's website. I also helped build an interface called the consumer web, which replicates the functionality a consumer will see in our white labeled apps. Talking about the most memorable experience about working with different technologies, I worked on a wide variety of technologies in the past 6 years at Servify, but the most memorable has to be the PHP projects. I remember we pulled an all-nighter to create partner portal literally overnight because that was the pace at which we were delivering things. Talking about Servify's transformation, I witnessed it firsthand. For me, the change felt intuitive. You start with the opportunity in B2C model, but once you are done with that, you realize that tying up with brands is the most logical step forward to ensure a seamless experience for customers. And once you are done with that, the global expansion dream followed. The platform has evolved too. Initially, we focused on simply achieving the end result, but now with brand tie-ups and catering to their unique requirements, now we have dozens of types of services all available on our partner portal, which is one of the major components of our platform. There are many clients with different requirements, but those who challenge us and make us better are the most memorable. For me personally, that would be OnePlus and Apple. We have done double shifts and pull all-nighters to achieve what we and our partners have agreed on, and we have to keep in mind that the existing flow has to work as is. If I talk about outside the office, we have always had great time at dinner parties. I have been to at least 4 weekenders, which are our annual offsites, and each of them has been memorable in its own way. My thought on being a co-owner is, owning a part of something encourages you to own your actions. It encourages you to take responsibility of the work you do. It is an added push, a motivation. My experience of leading the team has been good so far. Initially, we were a bunch of 10 to 11 people with no leads, but then I was given the responsibility to lead the team. Even though some projects have tight deadlines which may lead to stressful situations, I have tried to keep my cool and keep the team away from the heat. I have had a chance to interact with people closely, and I have tried to bring out the best in them by learning about their unique abilities. And I am excited about what the future holds.